The Cretan stitch is a cousin of the feather stitch and is worked between 4 stitch lines. Start by coming out from the second stitch line and go back in diagonally through the first one to come back out directly straight on the second one again. Loop the working thread while pulling the needle out to create a sort of L shape. Work in the same manner on the other side and continue the process. This is more like an open Cretan stitch where the stitches are more spaced. The difference between the feather stitch and the Cretan stitch is that the feather stitch creates a more V shape, making it great for botanical structures. Check out the video on the right side for a tutorial on the feather stitch. The Cretan stitch creates a half hexagon shape, and that has its own charm. I hope you liked this video. Share it if you have learned something new and drop a comment. This is Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery. Thank you so much for watching.